So it is very important that any time that you are out there in the world, that you understand that there is 3 gunas. These 3 gunas are elemental attributes of emotions. We have Tamas, which is heavy, earth, dark energy, elemental energy of creation. We have Rajas, which is the fire, red, passionate, willing, achievement energy of creation. And then we have Sattva, uplifted, ethereal, enlightened, kind of like this mist, light energy of creation. Through these practices, we're taking the heavy, unrefined, tamasic, dark energy, we're bringing it up, alchemizing it through the fire energy, and we're uplifting it into the higher energies of creation. So from Tamas to Rajas to Sattva. This is a process that helps us to turn that heavy energy into a lighter energy.